wall. Pull over here. Are you fucking shitting me?
I'm not shitting on you.
Australian NBA star Ben Simmons' time with Brooklyn has started with a heavy loss to New Orleans Pelicans. He found out with 4 points, 5 rebounds and 5 assists. And there's been EPL wins for Manchester United, Liverpool, Newcastle and Southampton. That's the latest from the Capital Radio newsroom. Head to Bing.
Got that on dash cam.
Cyclists, red and green. Learn the bloody difference.
You idiot. And he's still doing it.
Well, he can fuck off. I mean, the man's obviously deranged.
That's a turn-only lane, you idiot. That's one for the dash cam.
Jesus Christ. The fuck is that? Like, what are you doing? The fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
In the Bruce Lerman trial has come back, of course, and suggested to Her Honour that they're having difficulty making a decision. So,
Oh my god!
she said, no, you need to go back out.
What the fuck?
Yes, he did.
Have a think about this. The jury will confront in the next.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
we do? We end up looking like a monkey fucking a football out there.
Okay. That's a red arrow, you dumbass! Red arrow! Sheesh! You're going the wrong way! Goodness sake, man! Ah, naughty bitch. Look at this guy. Goodness sakes, man. Jeez. What's going on here? What's up with people? Like, you know? สีเขียวนะคะ fucking bicycle บนสีเขียวอยู่นี่ What the fuck? You're a fucking idiot. You are a fucking idiot.
We got one! Bring!
Evening 15 knot west easterlies, that is. Hauraki Gulf variable 5 and then easterly 15 late this afternoon and a strong.
What? 5 out on a plane!